Now let's talk about how the network layer handles data routing. The network layer ensures data packets reach the correct destination using IP addresses. Routers inspect IP addresses and forward packets to the next destination. For example, if you send a message from your phone, routers guide it through the internet to the recipient. Moving to the OSI model in UMTS, GSM, and LTE networks. In mobile networks, protocols from OSI model are applied in both radio access network and core network. RAN uses these protocols for wireless transmission, and core network uses these protocols for routing and data handling. These layers ensure smooth communication between mobile devices and the internet. This is the overview in bigger picture of OSI semi-layers model and protocols.